Let's jump right in. My find of the day was 3 Randy Johnson Mitchell & Ness throwback jerseys. I will list these jerseys for around $80 each. And with baseball starting now, they should move fast. Next up we have some rare Vans. These should be in the women's department. I normally don't buy a lot of Vans, but these are rare and St. Patrick's Day is coming up. My buy cost is $35 and I'll list them around $90. It's a low risk, high reward gamble I'm willing to take. These are not a pair I'd recommend new resellers pick up. I call these Polo Lows. Boat shoes. These are a size 9 and another low-risk high-reward pair I'm confident will sell going into the spring and summer. My buy cost is $25 and I will list around $70. New resellers should pass on these 9 times out of 10. Cleats are a reseller's best friend. You can almost always find cleats cheap. And they can sell for silly prices. These Nike football cleats have flooded eBay and are selling for about $50. I picked up the size 13s and passed on size 8.5. I will list these high now and likely will have to wait until the summer before they sell. Heading to women's shoes next. Here we have some Air Max Camden slides. They are size 6Y, which translates to a women's size 7.5. These were priced at $20, which I normally wouldn't pay for slides, but sold comps are already around $50 and I think that price should only go up when the weather gets nicer. As you can see, Amazon has a silly price on them, but they are ranked over 1.4 million in shoes. The lower the rank, the faster the item sells on Amazon. I grabbed 2 pairs and will list them on all platforms. Lastly, I picked up some hats. I found these Colorado beanies for $6 that have sold comps around $20. I also found some black Colorado hats with similar sold comps. I will likely sell these individually as well as in a bundle. I think all Colorado Buffalo gear should get a significant boost in sales with Deion Sanders running the show there now. Gotta love Coach Prime. Know what I'm saying? Here is everything I picked up today. Nothing too crazy. There were a few items I grabbed that I didn't have video for. Considering this was all from one store, imagine how much profit is sitting around waiting to be scooped up. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content.